I'm going to make a treat. It's not vegan. It is plant-based. It uses honey. So, but first I'm going to, I need half a cup of oat flour. So, I'm not sure how much oats you need for half a cup of oat flour. So, okay, that looks pretty good. Move that aside. Get the bowl out right here. I need half a cup. Oh, whoops, I forgot to take that out. Okay, so I have half a cup of oat flour. Can't find my other measuring cups. What am I doing? Okay, found a quarter of a cup. We need a quarter cup of coconut. Oops. I think I need a quarter cup of coconut. Maybe I need half a cup. Better check. I need half a cup of coconut. Okay, I think that's good enough. Okay, so we've got half a cup of coconut and half a cup of oat flour. To that, we need some Carob powder. I guess you could use cocoa powder. I'm just trying to make this caffeine free as well. Okay. We'll mix that in. Now I don't have any peanut butter or tahini or any nut butter or anything, so I can only add the honey, and I might have to add a little water. So I need a quarter of a cup of honey. So we mix that up because I don't have the butter and stuff, but even if you do have it and it needs a little more moisture, you just add a little bit of water until you can get it all mixed up. Well, I pretty well mixed it up. Now I'm just going to press it into this pan here. Oops. This is pretty stiff because my spoon is bending. Unless I just pat it really quick. Ah, it's sticking. If you want, you can sprinkle nuts on top and press them in. Because I didn't have tahini or peanut butter, I decided I will sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. I'll just press them in a little bit. I'm going to pop this in the fridge, let it set for a little bit, and then I'm going to try a piece. I used half a cup of coconut, a quarter of a cup of carob powder, half a cup of oat flour, a quarter of a cup of honey. You're supposed to use 2 tablespoons of tahini or peanut butter, but I didn't have any. So I added 1 tablespoon of water, and it seems to have worked. And you can just sprinkle chopped nuts or seeds, whatever you like on the top, and press it in. I used sesame seeds. There they are. They came out pretty easy out of the pan. They're chewy and very good. I will try them with some nut butter next time too, but I'll make them again. So give it a try. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And you have a great day.